Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my show, Biblical Talks. Today we have a guest, Sister Esther, and we will ask some questions regarding the Bible. What's your favorite Bible verse?
Thank you for the question. So my favorite verse from the Bible is Exodus 14:14. I would like to read, and it says, "The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still."
What is the impact of this Bible verse on your life?
Well, why I like this verse is when I am in the most unpleasant situation, even then I can be still and be patient because my God is fighting for me. He fights for me. I just need to be still and be patient. I am comfortable even in my worst situations. So this comforts me a lot.
Would you like to say something else?
Well, the message that I want to give to the audience is that even you can feel comfortable and patient in your worst situations because we all believe that that is the same God that fight in past and in present. He will fight for us. So we have to be patient and we have to be satisfied even in our worst situation and just need to pray to God.
Thank you for coming, and I believe that you will definitely be blessed by these words of God. God bless you and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.